don't you take it? Sometimes you have to go with what you can get. Remember, girl. Remember that, girl. Okay. Sometimes you just take what you can get, and it's awesome. Do you disagree? Do you disagree? Well, we can discuss it. We can discuss it. How are you doing today? Are you thinking about it? Hey, Mama. Hey, Mama. You do pretty well in Bumble. You do. You do real well in Bumble. Yeah. You have your rice yet today?
Hmm?
That I want rice. I want rice. I want rice. I want rice. Next week.